Hey there, coffee lovers and cocktail enthusiasts. Welcome to Coffee Lovers Hub. Today, we're taking you on a delicious journey into the world of coffee cocktails. Forget the usual espresso martinis. We're about to shake up some extraordinary coffee-infused concoctions. First things first, coffee isn't just a morning pick-me-up. It's the secret ingredient for amazing cocktails. Imagine the rich flavors of coffee combined with the buzz of your favorite spirits. Let's kick things off with a Coffee Negroni. Grab your mixing glass, add some gin, Campari, sweet vermouth, and a shot of cold brew coffee. Give it a stir with ice, strain into a glass, and garnish with an orange twist. A bittersweet masterpiece. Now, who can resist a classic Irish coffee? Pour hot coffee into a warm mug, add Irish whiskey and a touch of brown sugar. Top it off with a dollop of whipped cream. It's like a cozy hug in a cup. Craving a dessert-like drink? Try the Mocha Martini. Combine vodka, coffee liqueur, cold brew coffee, and a splash of cream. Shake it vigorously, strain into a martini glass, and enjoy the velvety goodness. Now, let's give a coffee twist to a classic. In an old-fashioned glass, muddle sugar and bitters, add bourbon, and finish with a shot of cold brew coffee. Stir gently, garnish with an orange peel, and savor the complexity. Here's a delightful surprise coffee and cream soda. Mix cold brew coffee with vanilla syrup, top it up with soda water, and a scoop of vanilla ice cream. It's fizzy, creamy, and utterly refreshing. For a tropical twist, try the coffee and spiced rum punch. Combine spiced rum, cold brew coffee, coconut cream, and a touch of cinnamon. Shake well, strain over ice, and garnish with a cinnamon stick. There you have it, folks. Coffee cocktails that go way beyond the espresso martini. Coffee adds depth, flavor, and a hint of caffeine to your favorite libations. So, grab your shaker, experiment, and discover your new coffee cocktail obsession. Thanks for joining us on this delightful journey into coffee cocktails. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more caffeinated adventures. Until next time on Coffee Lovers Hub, may your coffee cocktails be as bold and exciting as your dreams. Do not forget to leave a comment of your favorite coffee cocktail. Cheers!